Welcome everybody. Today on Pressure Crisp, we're going to be air crisping a whole chicken. So it's going to be another Ninja 101 video. We're going to be making one item in the Ninja Foodi, and this can be made in the 6.5 or the 8 quart. The only reason why I'm making this chicken is because I need it for another recipe, so I said why not do a quick video on roasting it using the air crisp only. We're not pressure cooking it. So everybody come on over, let's get started. To get started with this video, since it is a 101 video, you want to make sure your ceramic bowl is in, and we're just going to shut the air crisping lid. Your Ninja Foodi is on. We're going to select air crisp. The temp, we're going to bring it down to 350, and we're going to hit start. It defaults to 20 minutes. I'm going to bump this up to 1 hour. What I'm doing right now is I just wanted to preheat this first. Now you do have choices when it comes to air crisping this chicken. You can use, since we're air crisping, you can use the air crisp basket. That's right here. You can use the enclosed trivet that came with your Ninja Foodi, or you can put it on one of these silicone slings. Since I only have a 4-pound chicken, I'm going to opt to use the air crisping basket. What you see in front of you is a 4-pound chicken. It came damaged. I was very disappointed when I saw the skin cut like that. Very disappointed. Ugh. So I did wash this, rinsed out the cavity, and what you're going to do is I like to cut off this excess fat. I'm going to leave that right on there because that's contaminated right now. Now what you can do, you can just leave the chicken like this if you want, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie these little legs together. I'm going to show you how I'm going to season this chicken today. We're going to use a portion of this lemon. I have some thyme. I also have some rosemary, and I have avocado oil, pepper, and salt, and a little bit of butter for under the skin. I'm going to slice off a few pieces of this onion. I'm going to slice off a few pieces of this lemon. This is a very large lemon. Reserve the rest for another use. So I'm just going to put these off to the side. What we're going to do first is I want you to see that cavity. I'm going to take some of that rosemary, and we're going to some of the thyme. We're going to put the thyme into the cavity. We're also going to take a little bit of rosemary, freshly cracked black pepper. We're also going to put that in the cavity as well. Just put some in. You're going to take some kosher salt, put that in the cavity. Then we're going to take those lemons and we're going to stuff this bird. Probably could have gotten away with 1 piece, but 2's good. Now you have this kitchen twine that can be used for cooking, and I'm just going to make a little bit of a knot. I don't know the proper way to do this. This is just the way that I've always done it. I've got seasonings all over my fingers. Just going to put this little loop around the chicken's leg. Tie it off. Take that other leg, bring it in close. What I do, whether it's right or wrong, I don't know, but this actually, it works for me. There. This might seem a bit excessive, but I had a lot of string to work with. Where's that piece? There it is. And I like to take that other little piece and just make a knot. Now if you have a lot of excess, you can actually cut it off. I just chose to use it. You don't have to do it this way. Perfect. So this chicken is ready. Well, the inside is ready. We're going to tuck his little tail up there, just like that. Now what I like to do is this. I like to get under that skin. Just going to take your finger and just put it under there. You can put gloves on for this portion if you want. The skin was unfortunately already torn. I'm going to take a little bit of that butter. Now once I put my fingers in this butter, I'm no longer going to be able to use it for anything else. A little pat of butter under the skin, and that's going to baste that chicken breast a bit. And I wish if I had a suture kit, I could sew this up. We're going to actually season the skin. I'm just going to go ahead and put salt. Now you want to be liberal with your salt because we want that skin nice and crispy. And I'm going to put a little bit of black pepper. Not much. Beautiful. Now you can go ahead and spray it. You should have sprayed it before. It's optional. But a lot of times what I do is I wait to the end to actually spray the bird. What we're going to do next is we're going to turn this guy over. And I see a pin feather here. We're going to pull that out. If you see something like that on your chicken, pull it off. And what we're going to do, we're just going to do the same thing on the other side. We're going to salt. Make sure you get the wings, his bum, and more pepper. And that's all that's going to go on that bird for right now. We're going to pick that guy up, and we're going to put him breast side down into the air crisping basket. We're going to raise the lid. You're going to pick that chicken up, and you're going to place it right into the Ninja Foodi. Be careful because it's hot. Go ahead and close the lid. So that was preheating for almost 15 minutes. So what I'm going to do is up the time again, 1 hour. I know it might be done before then, but I like to go over than under with my time. And we're going to check this probably in 30 minutes. Flip the chicken. So it's been about 28 minutes. We're just going to go ahead and raise the lid. And that bird is browning up nicely. Now we're going to go ahead and flip this guy. You can go ahead and use these forks if you want. Maybe. There we go. So I'm trying not to puncture the skin. All right, this is proving more challenging. There we go. Oh crap. I just stabbed him. Ah! It's a little squished, but it'll be fine just like that. I am going to go ahead and just do a quick temp on this chicken. All right, we're at 93 degrees. So I'm going to go ahead and give this bird a spritz. And we're just going to go ahead and lower the lid. So it's been an hour. Look at that gorgeous bird. Beautiful. No, he is gorgeous. We're going to go ahead and do a quick temp on him. All right, he's done. We're going to take these handy dandy lifters and take them out and put them on the cutting board. Go ahead and shut your Ninja Foodi off. Time for that taste test. Look at this gorgeous bird. It's a 4-pound bird that was cooked in the 6.5 Ninja Foodi. Totally air crisp. Gorgeous. I want you to see this. I did cut one little piece off. Look at that. Steaming and perfectly moist. Taste test time. This is fantastic. The skin is nice and crispy. The breast meat is very moist. You can use whatever seasoning that you want. I'm using this for another recipe, so I didn't want to have too many seasonings on the outside of the chicken. If you like this video, Ninja Foodi 101 video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, hit that notifications button, and I appreciate all you guys. Take care.